Hi guys, welcome back. Shane O'Bray. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here today at the beautiful Skagit River as the Skagit meets the mouth of the Baker, and I took a little bit of time today just consciously being aware of the fact that mom was getting super overwhelmed doing the whole homeschooling of 5 children at different age groups, and just feeling a little frustrated and a little overwhelmed. And um, I've been spending the time at home trying to focus my energy on just finding a new balance and really using my joy as my guiding light. And it's easy to kind of lose track of that, especially with this whole coronavirus and the quarantine and not being able to go about our daily lives as we're used to, and having those breaks. Every day I earn a new respect for those teachers out there teaching our kids. I've really just been trying to use this time also to teach them things that they wouldn't be learning in school. And the balance thing is hard though. And so I come to you today, just kind of to share a little bit of my journey and the things that I've been learning as I continue along this spiritual journey. I've kind of shared a lot with you so far, and the last week I've been studying the 7 laws of the universe, and I have a video that I already posted for Law 1, which is the law of vibration, and how that really is like the core of manifesting. And Law 2 I am here to share with you today. Law 2 is the law of relativity, and I could go into all the scientific details about what that means, but instead I want to share with you what the enlightened, awakened part of me gathered from the law of relativity. And it really reminded me that life is happening for us, not to us. And all problems that we are faced with are divinely planned to help us evolve into the best version of ourselves. And I've heard this so many times as I have traveled through this journey and through the dark night of my soul. And things are looking up. They're a lot brighter than they have been in the past for me, in regards to just kind of feeling like the light of joy is really my guiding light right now. And I'm thankful for my spirit tribe and everybody that has been there to uplift me and support me and encourage me along the way. But we really have to kind of embrace that, even during this time where life is so uncertain and we are completely taken out of the norm. I really feel like this really is a time of ascension and a time of leveling up, so to speak. And I'm blessed to have some amazing friends that have some amazing knowledge and wisdom, and some mentors, some spirit guides, whatever you want to call them. And they're just so instilled with so much knowledge. And it's really kind of been a guiding light for me in regards to having the motivation to start digging deep and expanding my knowledge and my mind, and studying things that intrigue me. And today I am here to kind of do that with the kids at the river, having a lunch, taking a break. I'm not gonna lie, like, I had all 5 around the table, and I had the older 2 in an hour period. I think one of them finished 3 problems and the other one finished maybe 2, and the frustration, like, y'all better get it together, we're falling behind. And it's hard, but you know what? It's during this time that I could change my attitude and shift my state and spend time just really being thankful for this time that I have with them, and even to expand my knowledge and to help them with their problems that they have, and teach them, it's all about how you go about learning and how you break things down. And so, with the law of relativity, the Einstein's theory on traveling faster than the speed of light and all of that, it really helped me understand this, and that is time is an illusion. And I came across in my studies a quote, and it didn't say who this quote was from, but I have thought of it in the last few days a lot, and I'm not even 100% sure that I fully grasp the meaning of this, but I wanted to share it with you guys today and get your opinion on what this quote means. And it starts with, time is an illusion. It is a strange thing, but when you are dreading something and would give anything to slow down time, it has a disobliging habit of speeding up. Mirrors should think longer before they reflect. And I just started thinking about that, like mirrors should think longer before they reflect. And during this time, I feel like, time has slowed down a little bit. And there is the fear of the unknown. Will life ever return to normal? Do we even really want it to return to normal? And how are we growing? And how are we bettering ourselves during this time? And, as we stare at our reflection in the mirror on a daily, are we happy with who we are? And I will be completely honest, I have so much growing to do. I'm definitely better than the reflection even, a couple months ago. But I have a lot of growth to do in regards to being a better mom, learning to really practice all of the things that I'm learning along the lines of, accessing that self-mastery, being in control of my emotions more, having more patience and loving more and, reacting less to the negative. And so this really just kind of caught me in this state of just reflection, I guess is the best way to put it. What does that mean to you when I say time is an illusion? It is a strange thing, but when you are dreading something and would give anything to slow down time, it has a disobliging habit of speeding up. And that is true too. Like, I feel like sometimes we get caught in the fast track, like, whoa, this day's already over, there isn't enough time in the day. Mirrors really should think longer before they reflect, and that's the end part of the quote, and it's super deep. And we get so caught off guard by just being so quick to make judgments. There's so many different spins that one could have on this quote, but it's one of the better quotes that I've heard in my life, so I definitely wanted to share it. I encourage all of you to continue going out and getting time in Mother Nature. Get barefoot and do some grounding. I am going to actually have the kids all circle around and do a little grounding exercise here by the river today and just soak in Mother Nature. The sun isn't really out, but sometimes we have to make our own sunshine, and I'm a firm believer in that. And I'm just really thankful for this time with my family, and during the times where I'm feeling a little bit like, I need a break, I need to do this. And this has helped me tremendously. Sounds like somebody's pulling up, so I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, and I hope that you guys have liked this and that you've taken something positive from it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and grow with me. Namaste.